In this video we will see how to obtain the final state of the ground, modified after performing the earthwork to build a road. First, we execute the command to obtain the modified terrain. Now we select the alignment. We specify that you calculate the roadbed elevations, instead of the default option soil. Click accept and the process of calculation and drawing of the modified terrain begins. We can appreciate the road defined. If we make a quick profile, we can visualize the modifications made to the model. Then we will obtain an area and volume report for the defined road. To do this, we execute the command area and volume report. We select the segment file and validate all the default options. Next, a list is shown with the calculation of the areas of cut, fill and topsoil for each cut, with their corresponding volumes. Next, we will get other reports of interest for the calculation of earthworks. We execute the command cross-sections measurements, which will give us the measurement of areas in top view. We select the file of the segment and choose as the type of calculation the option surfaces on ground plan. We validate, and in the dialog, we choose the grade line layer. We see a list with the crowning areas and slopes of the road for the entire alignment. Now let's get a list of the measurements of the roadbed. To do this, we execute the command with this name, select the segment file and validate the dialog. We check that the list shows the detail and totals for band lengths, hard shoulder and road surfaces, etc. Now we are going to prepare a setting out of characteristic points of the road. To do this, we execute the set out lines command. We select the segment and choose grade line as the layer to analyze. In the dialog, we mark in the list of elements to represent the line crown and foot of slope. We also set T. He intervals to straight lines and curves. A list is displayed with the coordinates and other characteristics for each set out point. Next, we will perform an analysis of elevations of the section. To do this we execute the command list of heights of the setting out menu. We select the segment file and then indicate that we are going to work on the grade line. As in the previous cases, in the dialog, we choose the vectors Carol 1, outer hard shoulder and sidewalk, on both sides of the alignment. Once the data to be staked out has been established and the window validated, the list of elevations appears. It is also possible to generate a list with the elevation of each of the vertices of the platform, as well as the height difference with the terrain and slope of each vector. To do this, we run the command list of platform vertices. We accept all the default parameters and check the list of vertices differentiated by their code and ordered by station.